How to become a generative AI engineer in 2025. Learning path to become a generative AI, GenAI, engineer can take just 3 to 12 months. You can start with free generative AI platforms like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Bing. On these platforms, you can ask any questions, upload docs and summarize it, generate images, write code, or even fix bugs. Play with it. Once you feel comfortable using these tools, you will gain the confidence to move forward. GenAI Foundation, start with programming and mathematics. Begin with the foundation of GenAI by learning any programming language and revisiting 12th grade mathematics. Here are some key areas to focus on. Programming languages, start with Python or JavaScript. These are the most used languages for backend and front-end development. Python is also invaluable for data analysis. Mathematics, build a solid understanding of probability, linear algebra, and calculus. Libraries and tools, learn pandas for data manipulation and data visualization, as these are crucial for pre-processing and post-processing tasks. There are numerous courses available for Python, JavaScript, and pandas to help you get started. Generative AI Basics. Once you have a strong foundation, begin exploring the basics of generative AI. Focus on key topics like transformers, understand the encoder-decoder architecture and essential terminologies. How it works. Diffusion models, learn how these models generate data, such as images or videos. To deepen your understanding, refer to the courses and blog posts I've shared. These will provide a gist of how generative AI works. Hands-on practice, build applications. Start experimenting by prompt engineering, use OpenAI or other generative AI APIs to practice building applications. Small projects, create small proofs of concept, POC, to implement what you've learned. GenAI Level 2, Frameworks and Applications. As you progress, move to Level 2, where you'll focus on applying generative AI knowledge to build concrete applications. Key areas include frameworks, learn to use LangChain, PyData and LlamaIndex for building applications faster. Agentic applications, explore frameworks like CrewAI, AutoGen to create intelligent systems. Monitoring and observability, tools like Rise AI, Langsmith, and MLflow help ensure your models are providing accurate and safe responses. Cloud for AI. You'll also need to learn cloud AI services such as AWS Bedrock, Azure AI Foundry, and Google's Vertex AI for monitoring, fine-tuning, and deployment of AI applications. Image and video generation. For advanced tasks like image and video generation, learn about diffusion-based models. Explore DALL-E, Midjourney, Leonardo AI for image generation. OpenAI Whisper, TTS, 11 Labs, DeepGram for audio generation or understanding. Explore platforms like Kling AI, Runway, Sora for video generation. Fine-tuning and optimization. Fine-tuning is like teaching AI to answer in a specific way. Train large language models, LLMs, to specialize them for new subjects or tasks. Fine-tuning techniques, learn about lower-rank adaptations and techniques for optimizing performance. Library like Unsloth, TRL came at handy. These are course resources that help you. Local LLM, run LLM on laptop. We can run LLM locally with the help of tools like Alma, LM Studio, VLLM in quantized format. MLOps Community. Best Underrated AI Conference. Conferences like LLM in Production provide free, valuable resources to stay updated on industry trends. These are conducted quarterly, and videos are available on YouTube. Keeping up with research. Generative AI is evolving rapidly, so staying updated is crucial. Use resources such as research papers, refer to Arxiv, Hugging Face, and blogs from top AI companies. Generative AI is a rapidly advancing field, and with consistent learning and practice, you can achieve expertise. Be confident, stay updated with research, and keep experimenting. I'll continue uploading more resources. Thank you.